Hey, what's up, Xrp? I am sorry to say that, but Xrp is completely fails down, and I am so shocked, my friends, to see the Xrp charts changes and absolutely the price fails dumps down. So therefore, I'm so shocked, my friends, to see that. But in this video, my friend, I will show you, my friend, the reality of Xrp to what's going on in the future, and can there is a chance to Xrp will give you a profit or not. Can my friend, especially holders starting selling, so definitely the main reason is that today face down. So absolutely definitely holders starting selling. So I think he's going to be good now. So you can see this time the change occur last 1 hour, the change occur last 24 hour, the last 7 days, all change occur is completely and the negative. So it's this reality, my friend. Be honestly, I will tell you, my friends, to Xrp fails down. Why you cannot understand Xrp fails down? So if Xrp fails down, then you are completely in the lost. So why you cannot understand, my brothers, you are in the lost? Why you, if you are a poor man, then please my friends, watch this video and do this what I tell you. Please research personally, but do this what I tell you. I hope, my brother, be honestly, I will tell you to you are be safe from the loss. So you know what's the main reason to I make this video? The main reason is that, my brothers, to especially a lot of holders who are already lost very highly, my brother. So if he lost in this point exactly, my friend, he stopped working in a cryptocurrency. He cannot invest, stop investing in a cryptocurrency. So therefore, my friend, I be honestly, I make this video for all holders to understand, to be safe from the loss. So you can see, my brother, this time the Xrp live chart is on the screen. This chart is completely show you to the price come to 0.9 USD dollar. This time you can see the highest point 0.9 USD dollar to this time 0.78 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, I think 3 USD 2 USD dollar they lost just in all, my brothers, in one day. Exactly, this is reality, my friend. You can see here they cannot take a very huge jump. All cryptocurrencies is fails down. Definitely it's 100% reality, my friends, to all cryptocurrencies fails down. You know, Cardano, one of my favorite coins, is also fails down. So therefore I'm so sad, and absolutely definitely holders, I will tell you to hold it this time. You know why? I think XRP one of the stable coin in the crypto market. So definitely, I think no coin is going to be moving upward. Polygon is moving upward in the last month, but definitely they also fails down this time. So therefore, there is no coin available in the crypto market. They will give you a profit in this short time, my brother. So therefore, I recommend all of you to just and only you need to hold. Don't do anything. Not sell. Not invest more. Just and only hold now. I hope, my friends, the price is going to be very in the moon, my friends. They will give you a very good profit just and only when they start moving up. And definitely, you know, my brother, after a bit fails, they absolutely take a very huge jump. So therefore, I will tell you, my brothers, to the good time is coming soon, and there as crypto market is completely fails down. So therefore, I recommend you to don't sell it. You know, this time you can see here the detail about, you can see here as on the screen. So if you want to read this, definitely, my friend, stop this video and read one by one, my friend, minute by minute, second by second. But if we check out the alert news, so there is no alerts, you can see here on the screen. Definitely because the team of Xrp is going to be sleeping. So if he is sleeping, then absolutely there is no alert. So try to understand, holder. Every stick channel, just in only one of the unique YouTube channel for this channel is be honestly update you and give you advice and give you opinion. So you need to subscribe it and like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.